This is the C.C.JENSEN HDU 2727 fine filter. This is one of the core products in the CJC lineup and is the foundation for the 27 series of fine filters. The applications for this filter are practically endless, serving all 5 major segments: industry, marine, mining, power, and wind, and applications ranging from gearboxes to hydraulic turbine controls, even diesel fuel. The 2727 is part of the HDU fine filter family, which uses high-efficiency cellulose media to capture solid particles, water, and varnish degradation byproducts. The 2727 filter insert we use in the HDU filters to 3 micron absolute, and it has also a tremendous holding capacity between 5 and 7 kilograms of solid particles. It will also absorb moisture up to 2 liters in one insert. And the varnish, because it's taken into the fibers of the cellulose, we have so much cellulose that it has a massive capacity for holding and retaining varnish. The HDU 2727 has a few major components: the filter housing, the pump, the motor. The motor is available in a wide range of AC and DC voltages, so we can suit nearly any major power supply. Up top we have the air bleed screw and the pressure gauge. Pre-filter sample valve, an accessory port for something like a pressure switch or a transducer. On the pump is the oil inlet. This draws it from your system. And here is the filter outlet going back to your reservoir. Here we have the drain valve for draining down the filter housing when you change the filter. Now you might see some HDUs configured with different accessories such as an automatic air vent, top nut lifting eye, or a pressure transducer, as well as a variety of control systems like a start-stop or a full control box. They can also come in different packaging, like on a cart or a drain tank or a drip pan. The oil is drawn in through the pump suction port, past the pre-filter sample valve, and then is pushed into the filter housing. From there, the oil travels through the filter insert, down through the core, and then to the filter outlet. When you're doing a filter change, you can use the drain valve to drain the oil out of the housing before opening it up. So that's the HDU 2727 offline filter from C.C.JENSEN. The great thing about the HDU lineup is its flexibility in adapting to specific applications. Contamination is inevitable, so when it comes to your oil, remember, don't drain it, maintain it.